Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to mirror a picture using Photoshop. For the moment I'm using the 2019 version. If you have any newer version or oldest version, it will still work for you. So please make sure that you are focusing and follow me step by step. Now let's click on File and create our new project by clicking on New, and let's choose a template from here. Also, you can create your own templates or presets by just clicking on any one of these and then changing their value from here. Now I'm going to choose this one and click on create. After that I will drag this file and open, and I will choose a picture. For example, let's say this one. How really can you make it mirror? For example, there is multiple ways to do so. The first one, which is pretty simple, let's make it bigger. Let's not rotate it, just make it bigger, big enough, and then we do something like that. And then let's click on Alt, and then we drag up or down, whatever you want. Now let's drag it up, and as you can see, we've made a copy of this layer. Now let's click on Edit, and I think it was the horizontal. Yep, it is the horizontal option. So you click on Edit and then Transform and then Horizontal, and it will be mirrored like so. Now as you can see, let's move this around and make it look a little bit perfect, and here you go. If you want to add some more details, you can like add something in the middle like that and make it smaller. And after that you click on the eraser tool and you make a fade just like so, and it looks so natural, like nothing happened in this picture, but we actually did a lot to it. So as you can see now guys, the picture has been mirrored. Now how can we do it in another way? Like for example, you want a water mirror. How can you do it? First of all, you have to drag this one in here, and again let's make another copy of it. Let's go back, make it smaller, and well, okay, now it's good. Now let's click on, I'm keeping my hand on Alt, okay, like that. Now after I did so, I can click on this layer, the second layer, and click on Edit, Transform, and then rotate 180. After doing so, I can make it a little bit smaller, and this one again I make it smaller so you can see the results. Okay, we drag it up, and this one in here. Now let's make it fade a little bit by reducing the opacity, and then we drag the eraser tool and we start erasing and fading the picture just to make it look like a mirror but in the water. And after that, of course, you can add the water effect or an image and make this picture look like it was a shadow of this one in the water. And please make sure to add this black and white black and white color. So let's make this a black and white color so it will be look really realistic like this. If we click on here, it will be black, and then we make it fade a little bit more, so now it is more like a shadow. Now if you followed me enter this step, please guys, thank you for watching, and please leave a comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching again. Bye.